and I made a few mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did and what not to do. Hey guys, welcome back to Curls on Demand. I'm your girl, Suprina, and if this is your first time, then welcome to the family. If you like my videos and you've been liking my videos or loving my videos, then I hope you take some time to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're alerted every single time that I upload a new video. Now, now that I have got that over with, let's talk about these. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I'm rocking these wannabe butterfly locks right now, and I'm feeling it and I'm feeling myself. Just letting y'all know. But I tried these locks for the first time like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and y'all, it was not easy for me. Like, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go with jumbo and I'm gonna go with short so that it doesn't take long. But it took me a minute to get the technique and I made a few mistakes. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I did and what not to do. And to be honest, I love it. And I love the fact that I'm rocking like a new color. Like, it makes me feel like I'm feeling myself, you know what I mean? I'm feeling myself. But like, I don't know if to call it butterfly locks, I have to call it disheveled locks. Listen, we're gonna just call it butterfly locks. If you don't like the way this looks, then you can move along. This is for people who want to see what I did and what I'm gonna recommend you don't do. So let's just get into this video. I hope you like it, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
So my hair has been washed and moisturized, and I will be starting off on these plaits. I used pre-stretched hair to add some thickness to the lock because my hair alone would not give me the thickness that I wanted. Now, I said I was going to be honest with y'all. I don't think that the pre-stretched hair is a good idea for the butterfly locks, at least not for me. A better option would be to use Mali hair because it will give you better thickness, and most importantly, it will provide more friction so the hair you're wrapping with will stay on better. Okay, now let's pretend this is Mali hair. I would use about 3 to 4 strands of Mali hair to create the thickness that I wanted. Now, since I'm doing medium length locks, I will cut the hair in half. Now, I would also recommend joining both halves together to create more thickness. That's what I should have done, but I didn't. So do as I say, not as I do. Anyways, moving on. Here I am placing the hair into a crochet pin. Then I'm going to lock the pin and place the crochet through my hair. This right here is the worst method for crochet braids. Please don't do this. Here's the method you should use. Pass the empty crochet braid through the base of your braid. Then open the latch of the crochet pin. Place the hair through the latch and then pass the hair through the base of your braid. Now, once the hair is in there and secure, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my plait into the added hair. Once I have the length that I want, I will leave out some hair a little lower than the braid, and you'll see why in a little while. For this hairstyle, I'll be using the water wave hair in the color T1B Bug. I'll put all the information down in the description. Now, I used 2 strands of water wave hair. Using 2 strands was not enough, child. It created gaps in my lock, so I had to go back over with a 3rd strand. So I would recommend 3 strands per lock instead of 2. And I do have about 24 locks in my hair. Now let's pretend here that we are using 3 strands. We will crochet those strands through Again, please don't use this atrocious method to crochet your hair. Next, I'm going to place half of those strands with the braid I created for some added thickness, and then I will fluff the other half of the hair I'm going to use for wrapping. I will start wrapping at the base of my hair. Make sure to go around the base at least twice tightly so everything is secure. Then I'm going to make my way down the strand using my finger to lift the hair, which will create little imperfections in the locks. I'll keep on doing this as I make my way down the lock. Now when you get to the bottom of the lock, you want to use all the excess hair and make your way back up the strand. Now, y'all, I really thought this would work and the lock would stay in place, but nope, nope, nope. That's not what happened because the ends were not wrapped properly. The whole lock just unraveled. So you gotta make sure that you secure the ends properly. Secure them ends, sis. Secure them ends. So here's what I did to fix it. Once I got to the end of the strand, I would flip the excess hair on the strand and use the wrapping hair to secure it in place by wrapping over it in the upward direction of the strand. Now the end looks a little small, but I still have to go over it with that third braid again, so it's gonna be a little thicker once I'm done. And that's how I fixed these butterfly locks. I hope something in here was helpful if you want to try doing butterfly locks and that you can learn from some of my crazy mistakes.
If you watched till the end, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.